In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Constant Contact. Whether you're crafting a newsletter or composing a promotional email, integrating images with text can make your content more engaging. So let's dive into the process and make your emails stand out with a professional touch. To start, you'll need to open up your web browser and perform a quick search for Constant Contact on Google. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the link to navigate to the Constant Contact homepage. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Login button, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you don't already have an account, now would be a good time to create one so you can follow along. After you've successfully logged into your account, your next step is to click on the Create button. This option is designed to usher you into the exciting world of email customization. From here, you'll see a range of templates, but for this demonstration, we will start from scratch. So click on Start from Blank to get into the Email Creator tool without any pre-filled content, giving you the freedom to design everything from the ground up. Now, within this interface, you'll find a variety of content blocks on the left-hand side. Look for the text block, click on it, and drag it over to the main canvas. This will be the area you'll later integrate with your image. Next, it's time to insert an image. Find the image block, just like you did with the text, and drag it right onto the canvas. If done correctly, you will see placeholders for both text and image blocks in your workspace. With your text and image blocks in place, click on the image block to bring up more options. You'll find an option labeled Replace at the top. Click on it. This will open up your image library, from where you can select an image you want to use. Click on the image you desire, and then hit Insert to place it within the block on your canvas. At this stage, the image might be quite large or not positioned exactly how you want it. To adjust the size, click on the image block again and hover your cursor over the resize icon that appears. Click and drag to resize the image to your preferred dimensions. You can also shift the image around within the text block space to perfectly align it or achieve the desired wraparound effect. And there you have it. You've successfully wrapped text around an image in Constant Contact. Feel free to experiment with different sizes and placements to match your specific creative vision. Thank you for tuning in, and happy emailing.